Hello, Kumar.
Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. Team, sorry for the delay. Just I was in another call. Just 2 minutes delay. Just give me a second, team. Let me get my PPT for today. Just a second. Let me start the recording. Okay. Yeah. Well, good evening, everyone. Team, welcome back to the sessions. Let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly, team. So in the yesterday's session, so we had day one demo yesterday. So as part of the demo session yesterday, team, I was explaining you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application means. Okay. So what is this Oracle HCM Cloud applications? And then first we started basically with the introduction to the ERP. What is ERP? What are the different ERP products that we have in the market? Okay. We have started with this topic yesterday, team. And then, I have explained you what is Oracle Fusion applications, team. What are the before Oracle Fusion, what are the previous ERP applications we have in the market? Okay. And then team, what are the backend tools we have in Oracle Fusion applications? And when any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered? I told you Fusion applications are purely on a cloud-based deployment option, team. So how the application will be deployed, the background of the system, and then what are the different types of companies involved? Service provider means who, client means who, consulting companies means who. And once we learn this technology, okay, in what sort of companies that we will be starting our career, right? That also I have explained you, team. And then we spoke about Fusion environment releases, team, like in which year Oracle introduced these applications, I have explained you. And since then, what is the application evaluation we have seen, team, right? Then what is the latest version of the application? And I told you Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy, team. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application. During that time, what will be the sequence that Oracle system will follow? That I have explained you, team. And also, during this upgrade, what happens in the system? What Oracle will do during this quarterly upgrades? That we discussed it, team. And then we spoke about modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. What are the total modules in this technology? What comes under functional? What comes under technical? I have clearly explained you in yesterday's session. And any prerequisites to learn this course like SQL or PLSQL, Java, Python, any sort of prerequisites we have that I have explained you, team. So after this modules, team, as part of this training, what we are going to cover, that we have seen. And then I have also explained you the kind of roles that currently market looking for. So if you have to learn this technology, your focus should be primarily on techno-functional training, I told you, right, team? So that we have discussed it. And then I have introduced to you what are the course offerings that you will be getting, team. What is the duration of this program? Every day, what will be the timings? 7:30 to 8:30. Actually, today is a holiday, team, because May Day, but we have not seen that calendar. So we have not cancelled that, team, because many of you were in holiday today, I believe. But unfortunately, we have to continue the sessions. We have scheduled, though it is a holiday. But usually, in general, the public holidays will be holidays for our training also. So as I mentioned, team, the training duration will be for 3 months, that is 90 plus hours. Then every day, Monday to Friday, 7:30 to 8:30. And I told you, you will be getting lifetime recordings access and Oracle's application access for practicing assignments. And from placement point of view, resume preparations, mock interviews, daily Q&A support, then interview referral program from the placement team. These all I have explained you, team. And also I have mentioned about the course fee that we have, team, and what is the early bird offer that we have for day 1 till today. Okay. These all things we have seen, team. And also I have navigated through some of the placement success stories that we have in TrioTech recently, team. These all things we have gone through yesterday. Now let me proceed from the things that what we left yesterday, team. So, just a second, team. Admin, can you please confirm? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Audible, sir.
So your volume is a little low for me, sir.
Yes, audible.
Then I think you have to increase. My voice is full here. I mean to say like
It's audible.
8%.
It's audible only.
Can you try
Thank
increasing the volume of your mic, please, if possible?
Mic is full, mine. That's what I have seen your message. That is why I have replied. Okay. Once you check from your end also, I don't think
We
so.
cannot hear you. Your voice is low.
Yeah, it's your voice is buffering.
I don't think
The
so.
3
Kumar's
candidates
voice is
exactly.
loud
In
and
the
clear.
beginning, it's buffering in the beginning.
Kumar, it's the same issue that we had yesterday. There is some latency. So sometimes it is going low and then it is going
Some
high.
people
That's
are
the
saying it okay, fine.
It's
Okay,
loud
fine.
and
Let me
clear
sort out. Let me
actually.
sort out. Okay,
Yeah,
fine, fine. Let me sort out, team. No issue. I don't think so. Mix and match I have, but from my end, my internet and everything is fine. But let me switch my internet 1 second. 1 second. Let me do. Okay, fine. I have switched my internet also. Sorry. So, team, yesterday we were talking about these aspects, team. To have a quick recap of yesterday's concept, we have discussed all these things. Just a second, team. Okay, sorry, team. Just I changed my network connection. Okay. So yesterday, as part of our day 1 demo team, we were talking about these aspects yesterday. These two things, Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process, we have to discuss these two things also in yesterday's session, team. But due to the time constraint, we concluded the session for that day. So Before getting into the system and introducing to you how the Fusion applications look and feel and how we can access the system team, let me quickly talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process team, because many of you having a question in mind. Kumar, unlike other technologies like SAP or Workday, do we have to do certification, or just we learn this technology that will be sufficient to get the job, right? So I will explain you, team, how certification concept will work in Oracle system. Before that, team, I want to quickly introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository team. What do you mean by knowledge repository? As I told you yesterday, you will be getting the drive folder team for all the modules, the materials that what we prepared. Yesterday I have shown you, right? For every module, step by step, custom implementation, manuals, then assignments, everything you will be getting, I told you. But at the same time, if you want to explore Oracle documents with respective to this technology, where you have to go in the internet and where you can find. This is very important, team. I mean, like no one will tell this thing basically. But when you are learning a technology, if you have to self-explore more things in the system, you should also access the standard Oracle documents that Oracle providing team. That's an open source, but people usually don't know. They will be in the perception that we have to get enrolled with Oracle University or Oracle websites, then only we can get access to the repository. No, it's absolutely free that Oracle providing team. So if you want to get access to the Oracle documents team, just go to any Internet Explorer, Google, Firefox, anything team. Just type as Oracle repository. Just type as Oracle repository. Okay. Then team, you will land upon this page team. Or let's say simply you type as docs.oracle.com. Simply you type it as docs.oracle.com. What is the URL name? Just I'm pasting it in the chat board. If you want to try along with me, please try it out, team. So just type this one, team, docs.oracle.com. Then you will land upon this particular page, team. Okay. Here, all Oracle products you can able to check out, team. This is cloud infrastructure. This is Java, systems, on-premise, then cloud applications team. Here, Fusion application, NetSuite, all the products of Oracle you can check out here, team. Our application is what? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, right? So here you should come to cloud applications team. Under cloud, come to Fusion application suite. Here team, all Fusion products you can check out. If you click on see all, you will land upon team Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. One point I want to tell you. We were talking about HCM Cloud, but under Oracle Fusion Applications team, Oracle offer different products in the market. See, under Fusion application, if you see the product family of Fusion team, we have HCM. This is our product team. Oracle Fusion Human Capital Management Cloud. HR related application is ours. Then we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Cloud, SCM. Then Oracle Fusion Procurement, Oracle Fusion PPM. Different products Oracle offering for different business vertical team. Our application is Human Capital Management Cloud, HCM. But there are different products also. When you come to This docs.oracle.com under Fusion Cloud Application Suite, all products of Fusion application you can check out, team. This is financials, accounting hub, procurement. This is supply chain, inventory, order management, and this is ours, HCM. So we should come to HCM team and go to human resources. Okay, click on that team. Then you will land upon Oracle Human Resources 25B. The latest version I told you yesterday, 25B. Once you come here, team, on the left-hand side, you have different options coming up. Go to all books here, team. Click on that. You will land upon all books. Okay. You will land upon all books. So once you come to all books team, you can filter here what documents you want. You want implementation guides, admin guides, user guides, what you want. I want implementation guides. Select implementation. And here you can see team. See, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll, country-wise localization will be there, team. That all country-specific documents we have in the system. Okay. Okay. So you pick up the PDF here, team, what you want. Let's say I want to access global HR module material team, the Oracle implementation guide for global HR. So click on this PDF team. PDF symbol is there? No, click on that. See, the PDF will open. This is what team? Implementing global resource. 398 page Oracle document team for entire core HR module. What is what? A clear-cut explanation, right team? With all the details, we will have this document. You can download into your laptop also. Download button is there, team. Not only core HR, compensation module, benefits module, journeys, everything team. This is implementation. If you select a user team, once you configure and once you hand over the system to the client, the end users, whatever they will use in the client side, that documents you can able to check out here, team, using absence module, how, using benefits module, how, or compensation, everything available, team. You can filter and you can able to get that documents download, team. But in general, team, exploring Oracle delivered documents will be very vasty and very lengthy. So many people might not preferably look at this, but sometimes when you are working in the projects, you have to refer this team, one or the other concepts. Then you can able to get that. Now, some of you might get a question in mind. Kumar is working with Oracle from long time. He have access to this system. No, I came to docs.oracle.com. Anywhere did I sign in into the system with my credentials with kumaroracle.com something? No. Now it is asking me, sign into my account, sign into cloud. I have not done. It's a open source globally. You don't need to have any payment. You don't need to have any access. Anyone who attending the class, check it out. I have given the link to you. So team, you can access Oracle repository from here, team, right? This is books. Then here only team, small videos, Oracle embedded here on the docs page, team. Some functionalities. Here you can filter, team. Module wise, you can filter, team. So some of the functionalities in that modules, 1 minute, 2 minute, short bytes, Oracle embeds here. If you want to explore them, you can even explore them, team. And here, I told you yesterday, in the quarterly upgradation team, every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade their application, I told you. Now we are in 25B in the system team, second quarterly upgrade. So every time when Oracle upgrading the application, I told you some new functionalities Oracle will bring in the system team. So every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their applications team, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in? How come we will be knowing? Because we are working in this domain team. We should also keep ourselves updated. We should also grow along with the application team. If application is evolving, if application is developing every day by day, we should also develop accordingly with that team. So every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle coming up with an upgrade team, in each module, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, how come we will keep ourselves updated? This is very important aspect in the life when you are working in this domain. In fact, many people will ignore this team, but I always tell to my students, take this very seriously. Whenever you're working, make a habit. Even till today, I will have this habit team. Because everyone is human, will not come with blessed knowledge. We have to acquire, we have to explore self to get up ourselves updated, or else we will be thrown out of the market team, right? So even I personally will follow this team. Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading their application, once I will refer Oracle documents for every module, what new functionalities Oracle brings this time. Phenomenal changes Oracle will not bring that we have to train again on that. No, easily understandable, basic cosmetic level enhancements in a system team. In fact, in the real-time projects, when you are working team, whenever an upgrade happening in the system, Oracle will share the release notes document. Means in this upgrade, in each module, what new enhancements or the functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, Oracle will give upfront ready-made books team. We have to explore that and we have to present to the client. We have to explain to our client also, hey, these functionalities coming in this module. We don't need to have any impact in the system. We are not going to use that. Or this functionality will be good for you. You asked this for last time. Something like that team. So every quarterly upgrade, we have to explain these functionalities to the client. There are some activities team, some activities like we call it as a regression testing, sanitary checks, pre-upgrade testing, post-upgrade testing. Usually Oracle will give a date team on a particular weekend, we are going to upgrade the system. During that time, certain activities will be their team. So we have to perform that. What we will do, that all I will explain you in our project implementation workshop. Yesterday I told you, right? I'll be taking up some placement workshops team in the real-time life when we are working. Because many of you keeping fake experiences and you are showcasing that you are working in this domain. In that case, how you will present over there, how the implementation life cycle will be. When we go for a project implementation, what will be the first step? How we will collect the requirement from the client? What documents here? RD50, BP80, CV10, MD50, or BR100. Each phase we have different documents we have to prepare team. I'm going to explain everything. So during this implementation phase team, whenever any upgrade happen, we have to do some activities. So I will be covering that in detailedly in this workshop session on implementation project, types of project, what is implementation, what is support, what is testing project in this domain, what sort of work that we will do in real time. So that when you attending the interviews team, you will get more realistic knowledge to present better in the interview, because you are showcasing in the resume that you are having already experience in this domain, but that is false. You have not really worked on, you don't know what happens in the real-time project. To make yourself comfortable, to make yourself come up with a cooked up stories in the interview, we will be conducting some real-time workshop sessions team from placement perspective. So in this session, detailedly I will explain you. But one point is team, every quarterly upgrade when Oracle bringing in the system, when upgrading the system. Now from 25A, it came recently to 25B. So every time, at least 2-3 months before only, Oracle will release the notes to the open world. hey, in this upgrade, these are the enhancements we are bringing in. Where we can access that documents team in this docs.oracle.com only. Above all books, we have something called team cloud readiness / what's new. See, click on that team, cloud readiness and what's new. Okay. If you come here team, you can filter with your products team, HCM, sales, service, marketing, supply chain. Click on HCM. Now you select the release filter team here. Which release documents you want? Okay. Which release documents you want? Right team? Right team? I want latest update or prior updates. Select that team. Now here again you can view team. Which module? Human resource, payroll, talent, everything team. Select that. So here you can again check team under human resources, all modules, whatever are there team. In the current upgrade, latest version I told you yesterday, 25B, right? So benefits module, compensation, what's new. Then human resource help desk. Human resource means core HR module team. So if you go to that particular module link, okay, if you go to the particular module link, so this is for benefits module, what's new. So here team, if you expand your benefits module and if you expand here team, see, these are the new features coming up team. See, enable Redwood experience for the new benefits activity center. What is that functionality? What is the navigation? And in the screen, what is that new functionality came up team? So everything, you can select that functionality. This is the new enhancements Oracle bringing in. So which screen, okay, which particular point the upgrade is coming. So this is the new feature coming up in the screen team. Like that, every functionality. See, in the entire benefits module, hardly 6-7 enhancements we have here team. So you can click on that and you can able to check out team. Where in the front end, the screenshot also will be given by Oracle. So this is not only for benefits team. Next, I want to explore for another module. Come back. Then for compensation module, let me click on compensation. Then I can explore compensation team here. What new features coming in compensation module? On which screen, what new feature coming? Here, save button came additionally team, right? So everything. So here, this option is coming up for us team. So like this team, you can access Oracle repository in the internet team. So this is the place how you can access the implementation guides, user guides, and at the same time, we call them as release notes. Every quarterly upgrade, what's new features Oracle bringing in the system team. So that is about team Oracle knowledge repository in the system. Next team, Oracle certification process. Many of you are asking me about certification. Hey Kumar, how it will be in Fusion system? See, one important point I want to tell you. Don't be in the impression that Oracle will conduct the certification for entire application at once. No, Oracle not offering certifications entirely for a application team. Within modules, how many modules we have here like that? Core HR, one module. Absence, one module. Payroll, one module. Module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification exam team. Oracle certification process. Okay. So each module wise team, Oracle will conduct the certification team. Let's say global HR is there. We have an examination named by Oracle Fusion or Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. 2024. Now the latest paper thing from next July, sorry, this year In the month of July, the latest paper will come. But as of now, this is the one team. Then there will be examination code for this core HR team IZO 1046/24. So this is for core HR team. Then for absence, Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Okay. Then there is one code for that team. IZO 1056/54 something is there. You can check out in the internet directly. So the fact is that team for entire Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, there is no exam team. Module wise, Oracle will conduct the examination team. So Kumar, first of all, certification is mandatory. Absolutely no. Absolutely no. In Indian market, if you ask me, team, for freshers who learning this technology, or even if you are portraying 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years experience also, team, certificate is not a mandatory criteria companies will look at. Unlike SAP or Workday, the best part with Oracle Fusion is, team, companies will not look at certifications mandatorily. When it will require, once you get into the projects, let's say your client for which you have been mapped from your company, your client is very particular that they want only certified resources in their project. Then your project manager will insist you complete one of the certification so that we can map you for the project. During that time, you can check with your company. On behalf of you, company will pay the exam fee and they will make you clear the exam team. But in the initial recruitment time, when you drop the resume in the Naukri or the LinkedIn or Indeed or Monster, filtering with only certification never happened, team. That is really not possible for the HRs to recruit. So absolutely, freshers or other non-IT people who learning this domain, don't get stuck with certification. That doesn't help you anything. Ultimately, in the interview, how you are performing is the matter. That's all. Because if you do certification and if you not perform well, that doesn't make sense. So certification here is not at all a mandatory thing in Fusion. But US markets or Middle East markets, few of the countries, they are more fascinated towards certifications in the recruitment team. There, whoever the participants attending the call, you might require to do the certification. But whereas others, in India particularly, it's not a mandatory criteria. But in other countries, it might. It depends, team. So how is the process, Kumar? If I want to write a certification exam, what is the cost that certification exam Oracle charging? First of all, team, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson team. Okay, View Pearson team. This is something, an examination partner to Oracle team. If you go to the Google, just go to Google Pass View Pearson team. Then you will get the website link here, pearsonview.com. This is the examination partner for Oracle team. See, prior to COVID and even now, again the market came, physical team. View Pearson test centers available across different cities in the world, team. We used to go to that nearby test center. We used to book the exam. We used to sit there and we used to write the exam, team. But post-COVID, everything became online. Now you can directly book the exam, team. You can come to pearsonview.com. Then you can come to for test takers only. You can search with your exam, create your account, choose the available slot, sit in your home, happily write the exam. You will be video monitored. Team from the Pearson company will be in the video call. They will be monitoring you and they will be observing your exam, team. You are video monitored. Okay. You have the flexibility to write the exam by sitting in the home online. At the same time, you can go to the browser and search with education.oracle.com. education.oracle.com. or simply type it as team Oracle University. Okay. Just type as Oracle University team. You will land upon the very first web link. This is team oracle.com education. So here, click on India side. Here you will have certification team. Directly you can come to certification and then you can choose team, which certification you want to do. You want to schedule an exam team. Go to the schedule an exam. And then here also directly you can book your exam team. You will land upon mylearn.oracle.com. So here all Oracle products will be there. Ours is cloud. Under cloud, ours is HCM. So you can come team under HCM Global Human Resource. Then you have here the exams team, introduction team. Then you have human resources. Then you have absence management, payroll management. You have team, you can explore them. All these are certifications available team. And you can able to go select that, book the exam, and you can write it team. So there are two ways. If anyone want to write, our team will assist you team. Pearson VUE or Oracle University, you can go and you can book the exam. For each module, Oracle will charge 23K INR plus applicable taxes team, the GST and all team, state level or whatever taxes they have team. So this is the examination cost. I know the examination cost from almost $3,000. Now the cost of Oracle certification is 23,000 plus taxes team. That varies plus or minus with some 500,000 rupees. But each module, Oracle will conduct the exam. If you want to write the exam, you select which module you want to write. Usually people will write core HR. That is a bit easy to clear module team. So each module Oracle will charge team. And the kind of pattern questions will be team MCQs, multiple choice questions. Means question with 4 answers, A, B, C, D. But from last year team, not last year, from 2023, in COVID, many people cheated the examination patterns and all team with proxies and all. So Oracle made their examination bit more tough. What they're doing along with the MCQs, they're giving some real-time scenarios and giving the application access and asking to configure and show their team. So altogether, usually 90 or 75 to 90 questions we can expect for each module team. Core HR is a big module. You can expect at least 90 questions in that. Absence is bit less, small module. You have at least 55 to 60 questions. Module to module, the count will vary. But the examination pattern will be MCQs plus scenarios team. Mix and match we will have. Okay. Negative marking is there. Pass percentage should be 70%. If you don't get 70%, you will be failed. No multiple attempts, only one time. You book the exam, you given the exam, unfortunately you failed. That's all. Your amount will be blocked. Only one attempt, no multiple attempts team. So many of the people, what they will do, rather than doing from their pockets, once they get into the company, depending upon the project requirement, if the need is there, they can get the coupons from their company's team. Your company will offer the coupons to you. They will bear the cost on behalf of you because it's their project need. So you can get this reimbursed from your company's team. Don't waste your money before getting into the jobs. For the people in India, I'm telling, but US people, you have to preferably do one certification at least because your market is like that. Okay. So whoever want to do certifications team, you can reach out to our support team after our module training, whatever you want. We will help you with the dumps. I mean to say we have ready-made question and answers available team for each module certification you are writing. Our team will assist you. And unofficially, we also have a proxy support for that. Our team will help you to clear the exam. There will be certain terms that team will explain you on that team. But this is the certification process team. Ideal validity that Oracle telling is 18 months. For example, if you write exam now, today on May 1st, 2025, For 18 months, your certification will be valid. After that, again, you have to write the latest paper, team. Every year, Oracle will come up with a new paper. Last year given was 2024. Now in the month of July 2025, new paper will come for each module, that with 2025 code. So that is Oracle certification team. So Oracle's knowledge repository we have seen, certification process we have seen, team. Now let me introduce to you the Fusion applications team. So whenever you are working in the real time, or whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, for example, team, I'll take an example and I'll tell you. See, for example, this Excel sheet I will share with every one of you, don't worry, and even the presentation, everything. For example, you take Reliance team, okay? Reliance is there. See, Reliance Industries team bought the product from Oracle Corporation, okay? Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle India Private Limited, okay? Oracle is a company, sorry, Reliance is the company. Reliance bought the product from Oracle India Private Limited team. So Oracle India Private Limited, I told you, is a service provider company, vendor company team. That because our Fusion applications are owned by Oracle India. He's the owner. Okay, the product belongs to Oracle that will sell in the market team. Now Reliance Industries is the client company team. Okay, client who uses the product. Okay. When example you take Reliance, it could be anything in your case team. You can quote any name. Okay, you want. See, when any client, when any company buy the product from Oracle, okay, let's say Reliance bought the product that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications from Oracle team. When any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered? How in the sense, in which form application will be delivered by Oracle team? See, if you buy your mobile, the mobile will be given to you physically, right? You can see the mobile, you can touch and feel the mobile, the device team. In the same way, when Reliance or any client, when they buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered? As I told you, Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based deployment model team. Fusion applications are completely cloud-based deployment. Means what team? A software that is hosted over the internet, right? So just in the form of URL, okay? This is the Fusion application team. When any company buy the product from Oracle, application will deliver just in the form of URL, a web link with user ID and password to login team. With user ID and password to login team. See now, I'm taking up this URL. I'm just passing it in one of my browser team. Just I pass it that link in my Google Chrome and I'm clicking on enter. Okay. Where I landed upon team? Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So this is what team? Cloud-based application. Did I install this application in my laptop? Did I run the software in my laptop? Nothing. Just I went to Google Chrome. I passed that URL. System prompting me for sign in. See, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. User ID and password team. If you have to access the Fusion system, you require your user account to log in team. So I have my account HCM IMPL 13. I have auto saved that in my Chrome. That is coming up team. So just if I click on sign in team, my page is loading here. See, I could able to log in into my system team. So this is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. This is the look and feel. You might be seeing different screens. You might be looking at SAP or Workday or something, Salesforce or anything. But the Fusion applications look and feel will be like this team. This is the main home screen of the Fusion application. Okay. Before getting into this technicalities, explaining you all these icons and all team, let me introduce to you some of the real-time jargons, terminologies that we should be following. Because whenever you working in the real-time companies, you, as I told you already, none of you have worked on this technology. You are learning now, but you are showcasing experiences and you are dropping. You selected, you get into the company. When you are talking in the team, whenever you are discussing with your colleagues, with your manager, with your friends in the office team, you have to follow certain corporate terminologies. You should follow some jargons or the English terminologies where that looks very official team. So we have different names to call Fusion Cloud Application team. The regular layman terminologies are URL or link. That is what we usually or generally call team. URL, link. Hey, give me the link. Give me the URL. These are very generic and layman terminologies team, grounded terminologies team. But the official name that Oracle given to refer their Fusion applications team, or we can call it as environment. We can call it as instance. You can call it as server. You can call it as pod. You can call it as tenant. You can call it as sandbox. These are the different names that we have to be referring the Fusion application team. So whenever you're in the project team, if you want to get any client's URL access from your friend, you should call, hey, can you please give me the client environment? Can you please give me the client instance? Or can you please give me the client server or pod, tenant, sandbox? Yesterday, in our course offering slide also, what I mentioned team, 7 months Oracle server access I am referring team. Server access means Fusion application name. So these are the different terminologies that we have to refer or call Fusion applications in real-time projects or the companies when we are working. If you call it as, hey, just give me the URL, or can you please give me the link of that client, that doesn't look official team. Easily, the colleagues can identify whether you are a real working professional or not. These are examples. There are many cases where you have to be very conscious when you are speaking in the real-time projects. In the due course of time, you will get all those techniques or things that you have to strictly follow team. So these are the different terminologies that we have to call Fusion application. POD means what, Kumar? POD means platform on demand. Okay, full name is. And one more logic I will tell you here, team. What is that, you know? Because the time will not permit to get into the system and explain you the things. I will explain you this topic and I will conclude for today, team. What is that? Sometimes in the real-time projects when you are working team, okay, you might be in a situation to work for multiple projects. Even the current project, current work that I am doing team, our team, we supporting close to 3 projects. There are situations when I was 3 years back working on some support related projects team for US client. We as a pool of 35 resources, we used to support close to 8 projects simultaneously team. There will be situation. Your company will ask you to work in multiple projects team as a pool, not only you to handle everything as a teamwork team. So during that time, how you can identify which client application is what? Okay, you might be working for 3 projects team. You have client A, okay, client B, and client C. Your project manager mapped you in 3 projects team, client A, client B, and client C. How you can identify which client's URL, I'm also using URL, sorry, which client's environment is what team? Is there any differentiation, Kumar, in the URL to notice client to client, whose instance is what team? Yes. Customer to customer, very important team. This is customer to customer. When Oracle selling the product team, these four characters I have in the environment here, HTTPFA slash something I have. What is that team? ETAJ. This we call it as pod number, POD number team. We call that as pod number. So customer to customer, in the URL, that four characters will be differed. For one client, I have, let's say, ETAJ. For another client, I will have something like a HFDG. For another client, I will have team something like okay, FSTR, whatever it might be team. So client to client, customer to customer, when Oracle selling their product in the market, these four characters will be unique in the URL team. See, here I have ETAJ, here I have HFGD, here I have FSTR. So this is pod number. That is a unique code for every customer or Oracle selling team. So when you are in the real-time projects, whenever you are working team, if you are in a situation that you are working for multiple clients team, to identify which client's application is what, you can go and identify this pod number so that you can understand, Acha, okay, this is my client B, this is my client A, this is my client C, something like that team, right? And usually team, this is our training environment. That is why at the end, you are seeing it as oracledemos.com. So today night or tomorrow morning team, already for people, for enrolled people, we shared emails team starting from today morning 10 o'clock, everyone receiving the emails team. If anyone who lately joined before the session, you might get that after the class. But people who joined till 5 o'clock team, every one of you got mail access. I mean to say, we sent emails where you can find your TrioTech portal access team. So today, every one of you will be added in the WhatsApp community. In that, we will be sharing this application access for practicing team. So you will be also noticing this difference. This is a training environment. You will see here coming as at the end oracledemos.com. But if it is a real-time environment team, if you're working in the real-time, see, this is also real-time only, but just the in the URL, it will come like this team. But in the real-time company's team, you won't find this coming as demos. Just it will come as oracle.com. So that is one differentiation you have to notice team. In our training environments, it will come as demos.com. This is for training purposes, we will use team. But in the real-time projects, when you are working, it will come as at the end oracle.com. And even this also will not come in the URL team. SAS, FA, Demo-1, no. Just your 4 characters pod number and you will get like this team. This is the URL team, crisp and short. Okay. But again, within that, we have different environments to discuss team. We have production, environment, dev environment, sorry, test environment, okay. Then dev environment, like that we have team again, multiple environments team, but this will be too early. If I explain you now what is production, what is test and dev, you won't understand team. In our implementation project workshops, I will introduce to you. So in this PPT, when I'm explaining you different types of projects team, I'm going to explain you when Oracle subscribe to the application, sorry, when client subscribe to the application, how the welcome email will come from Oracle. Then what are the different environments that we will have team here? Somewhere I mentioned that where it is. Here team. Development means what, test means what, production means what. So during that time, I will explain you team. But this is very too early. Just I want these basic things everyone should understand. How the application will deliver to the client. Cloud-based model means what? Then how the look and feel of the Fusion applications will be once we log in. And then what are the different names that we can refer the Fusion application? Client to client, what will be the differentiation, how you can identify. To this extent, I want everyone to be clear, team. What are the different types of environment? Production means what? Test means what? Development means what? Slowly, we will get into that, team. So, in tomorrow's session, team, I will get into the system. I will explain you what are these icons, what are these functionalities, what is this in the system, then what are these options we have, these things. And then I will start with the very first topic, team, that is security administration. Any training, team, it's a very systematic approach I will follow. Any training or any project that you work in the real time, the very first concept that we will be working will be security administration, team. Because in Fusion system, access creation will be handled in security module, team. So this should be the first module that we should learn. And even in the projects, this will be the first activity that we will be performing when we start working in the real-time projects, team. So starting from tomorrow, I will explain you the home screen functionalities of the Fusion application, and I will start with our security module, team. And the first set of material I will be dropping to every one of you in your WhatsApp community, team. So that's all for today. Any questions in today's session, online people? So people who had to complete, the person by name Tarun, could you please show me the material? I mean, Tarun, yesterday we have shown you. Have you not seen that material? So this is the drive materials that you will be getting, we told, right? For every module like this, any folder that you can pitch in and you can able to check out. So this is how the materials with screenshots and navigations will be there. This is not only for Core HR, for everything, sample resumes, interview question and answers, then for fast formula or for payroll assignments, everything you will get. Okay. So team, yeah, thank you.
Yagmar, when do we
Sir,
get the
please.
access for all these materials?
You will be getting that. Usually what we follow is, I will be giving step by step, because entire things upfront, if I give also, you can't segregate what is what. So topic by topic, I will be giving you. I will be sharing today the first set of materials, starting from tomorrow. Not even tomorrow, yesterday and today, what we discussed. Starting from yesterday, next 20 days, what we are going to discuss every day in the class. The first set of material will be given to you as part of the community. So community is not yet created. Tonight we will create and we will add all the participants who enrolled into the batch, team. Okay. And anyone yet to enroll, please do confirm, team, because few of the participants, admin team told me that requesting for the meeting link for today's session, we have shared it, team. But from tomorrow, definitely for the enrolled participants only, the link will be given, team. Because the course started from today. Yesterday is only demo. From today, we started the program. From tomorrow, it will be security, and every day the topics will go accordingly, team. Okay. I can see a couple of questions in the chat board. Pranavi Cherukuri. Hello, sir. I'm from Canada. I have 4 years of experience with Oracle OSM and thinking to definitely. You whatever the experience you have, when you're dropping the resume, that Oracle OSM, you remove and keep it Oracle Fusion HCM. The market is very good in US or in Canada for HCM. Because the reason I will tell you, the entire US and Canadian markets for HR systems were completely occupied with PeopleSoft earlier. But all those customers were moving to Oracle Fusion HCM. That is the reason sudden spike we have seen in the markets. So the recruitment is going very well in US segment as well for this technology. And Jyoti, you have to see that in the recording, Jyoti. Just go to docs.oracle.com and you can find that. And Sesha Kumar
Sir, good
Reddy,
evening, sir.
may I know what are the roles and responsibilities that are expected from us when we join the project? That we will discuss here in the implementation project. So what you will perform in that project, what sort of activity every day in the office, once you get in, what you will do, that we will discuss here. Because that is not something in one statement or two statements, Sesha, you will get that. 2 hours discussion, if I go through, then only you will get comfortable with that, okay? Murt, by name Murt, someone asking reports also. I think yesterday also you have asked the question, I believe. Murt, we will cover that. Don't worry about that, okay? And I can see.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, this is Ramanjulu. Sir, actually, I have joined in last class, sir. That whatever happening early morning, 7 o'clock.
Ramanjanelu, discuss that with support
Sir, I
team.
discussed with you. Yeah, sir. I discussed with you, right?
That is not.
In WhatsApp.
I will tell you. This is a demo or is this a class, right? Your thing is something related to your personal thing. That is a technical aspect. You want to continue in the new batch. Let us discuss that with the support and you get it enrolled for the new batch. No problem. You can continue, no issue. Separate payment is not required for that. Yes, it's a matter of moving you from one community to another community in the WhatsApp. They will do that probably by tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
The subject related questions we can discuss. Okay.
Hi, Kumar.
Yes, no, please.
Yeah, when we'll get the Oracle Fusion environment access?
Karthik, most probably by today night only you will get. If not, maximum by tomorrow you will get. Okay.
Okay.
Portal access you received, right?
Yeah. Access. I got the access.
Portal access you got. So environment you will get today because environment just we started. We have not seen anything in the system, right? So we thought of giving it up. Meanwhile, we are creating all the e-learning portal access to all the students. Maximum by tomorrow we'll get that solved as well. Okay.
And one more thing, I can't see the chat questions. I don't know.
What chat questions?
No. In the chat, some are pinging, right? But I can't see those chats.
I didn't get that.
He is referring to the chat that people are pinging.
So whatever you dropped it, you can able to see that in the chat. You can click on the chat and you can check out. Okay. Any question, team?
Hey, Kumar, this is Sridhar. So just my question here is that from what time to what time the support team is available? And
Just either 10 to 6 we usually have. Within a tat, we will try to reply because depending upon the queue, it will be. Okay. Yeah. For every day, whatever the things you have, we can discuss it in the session also, no problem. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, Kumar.
So boards will not cover, but Redwood we will cover, Sesha. Yes,
okay.
Please continue.
Okay. See what kind of requirements people are looking in the India market and US market. Is there any difference or both the same?
See, anywhere the requirement remains same. The implementation consultants usually companies look at. So as I told you in that, you have to be well versed with both technical and functional. So you have to prepare yourself as a techno-functional consultant. The market is more inclined towards that only, so that you will also best fit for every requirement that companies offering in the market. So better you choose techno-functional as a role that to start your career. That is high paid in the market as well, high demanded as well in the market. Okay. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. Yes, Usman. Yes, please.
Yes. So actually, after going through the demo, I was just going through all the website portals regarding what are the Oracle jobs available. So I found out one pattern that everyone was asking for. They need at least one complete implementation life cycle in their requirements and the job descriptions. So I just wanted to understand that during our course, when we completely go through it, will we be having a clear understanding of the entire life cycle?
100%. This is what the training intended for. This 3 months training is a full life cycle of project implementation that what we do in real time. From start to end. It's not zigzag. I'm not going to directly go to a middle and again coming back to start and then again coming to end. Nothing like that. Step by step. One by one, when you go in the project real time, what you do one by one, step wise, it will be covered. Okay. No, don't worry. That will get addressed. No issue. Well, team, will be concluding for today. We'll join back tomorrow, team. So I request everyone, please do complete your enrollments. This will be the last day, team. From tomorrow, strictly the enrolled people will be getting the meeting link, team. So tomorrow, first off will be the last for the enrollments, team. We'll be closing after that. So already we have 100+ enrollments. But any access related things, don't worry. You will be getting addressed maximum by tomorrow, because for all people, admin creating the portal access and all, it will take slight delay, but maximum by tomorrow, end of the day, or by tomorrow afternoon, before tomorrow session, all your access, your instance, your material, everything you will get. That I will promise. Okay. Thank you, everyone, team. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue.